here.
Hey guys, it's my second video on the standing fish. Well, my interpretation of the standing fish kayak. This time I'm going to do it in water itself. What it is, it's a matter of getting hold of your chair, lifting it up, get your straps, hook them around your tent pegs, which you've modified. So on with this one. I do have a bungee on here so it doesn't hit me in the napper. It seems to come off. There we go. That's all fully erect. And that's me standing. You cannot get where the position of them rods are. You cannot get them because you will go over, and it will go to a certain extent. Yeah, it will go, but it will keep you buoyant and it will keep you level. I'm thinking I may need some counterbalance weight in the front to make this absolutely spot on. But apart from that, got loads of stability. Stand, turn around, do whatever I need to do. And that's about it. Other than that, good stable job. I'm over the moon. Happy with it. That's all, thanks.